Hey, aloha aina. This is Andre Perez here at the Capitol, where there's a rally to withdraw the appeal by the State of Hawaii Attorney General to the U.S. Supreme Court on the ceded lands ruling, which basically dictates that the State of Hawaii cannot sell or transfer ceded lands. This is a complex. A little bit of a complex issue, because we have to understand certain things before we can move forward, and we have to be clear about what we're calling for. Is it a good thing to appeal this this ruling? I believe so. The Supreme Court ruling that the State of Hawaii cannot sell or transfer so-called ceded lands, also known as stolen lands, I believe is correct, because they have no clear title, no jurisdiction. So that is correct, but I see varying levels of consciousness here at this rally. I see people holding signs that say things like, don't settle, kalamai, don't meddle until we settle. So what does that mean? Yeah, so they throw us a bone, we get some kind of settlement, and then they can sell the stolen lands? Then they can move forward and transfer lands? I think we need to be real clear on our message. I think we need to be real clear on our understanding. There's no doubt about it. Ceded lands are stolen lands. They're not ceded, yeah? The provisional government, the illegal usurping provisional government, handed over lands to the United States government that they stole. That's very clear, historical facts. So therefore, there is no such thing as ceded lands. It's a fraud. When we start using that term, we buy into that fraud. So we need to be very cautious and very clear. Maka'ala, these kinds of things. So I'm here to stand in solidarity to uphold the ruling of the State of Hawaii Supreme Court by Chief Justice Moon. Yes, the State of Hawaii has no business selling stolen lands. We're very clear on that. And that's where we gotta stop. We can't be talking about no settlement. We can't be talking about a kaka bill, because you can look at the signs here today and you can make a quick determination that our people are not educated yet. They're not ready to make these determinations on what the reconciliation is, what the solution is. So I think we should stand in solidarity to stop this appeal and stop there, and until we get broad-based education, until we get broad-based hearings, until we get a collective, unified, real process amongst a majority of Hawaiians to make these kinds of determinations, educated determinations. So that's that. You know, we're here at this rally. I'm very cautious. I'm a little leery at some of the messages. Actually, I'm very leery at some of the messages that are being sent out. It appears that somebody made a bunch of signs and told a bunch of people to hold them. Yeah? And I can see the lack of consciousness, the lack of political consciousness, the lack of analysis in some of these signs. So I'm very concerned. I hope I get a chance to address the masses and raise these issues. We need to be confrontational with each other first. If we cannot confront each other as a people, how will we ever confront America and the injustice?
Hey,
Mahalo.
Your name?
Andre Perez with the Huipu.
Is there any way to reach you?
You can reach me at kanikapu@yahoo.com. Kanikapu@yahoo.com. Aloha aina hoia'i.
Mahalo.